That's right. The Attorney General's office is partnering with legislative leaders and local advocates to close gaps and address challenges they say are impacting access to abortion care here in Connecticut. The message from today's press conference: legality does not equal access.
It is the policy and the law of the state of Connecticut to protect and defend reproductive freedom.
Tuesday, Tong called on local leaders, abortion advocates, and the state legislature to protect access to safe and legal abortions in Connecticut.
We are not fine. We are far from it.
Abortion remains legal here in Connecticut, those rights codified into state statutes for more than 30 years. And earlier this year, the state legislature passed another law protecting in-state medical providers and patients who travel to Connecticut from legal action. But Tong argues that's not enough.
The fall of Roe was not the end, it was just the beginning.
Planned Parenthood says they've seen an increase in patients traveling from out of state to Connecticut for care. In the last year, they had 75 out-of-state patients, some traveling upward of 1,500 miles.
We fought too hard to get here. Women should be outraged by this.
But in an election year, polls show abortion might not be top of mind for Connecticut voters. State Democrats, though, still trying to make it a priority, Tuesday hinting at the possible introduction of a federal abortion ban.
There is utterly no basis for the federal government to pass a federal ban on abortion. No right, no authority. It is utterly unconstitutional. And if they try it, Connecticut will be the first to sue.
And those at today's press conference focusing on the upcoming legislative session today, saying they're going to put together an agenda focusing on things like more funding for clinic security, as well as protecting private medical information like pregnancy status, as well as other policy considerations. I did reach out to legislative minority leadership. We just a few minutes ago got a statement from the House Republican leader. He wrote Democrats are weaponizing the topic of women's reproductive health, using it as a campaign tool. You can see the full statement on our website at fox61.com. Live in Hartford, Emma Wolforst, Fox 61 News.